This is a famous Thika superhighway. I live just next to the superhighway, and my name is Michael Maura Kono. It may also interest you to know that my house is within a stone grove, the one in a brook. That's my house. There are many other similar houses around. It took me a few years to construct this house. It was not until I discovered the secret, and I want to share the secret with you. So, as I was saying, my name is Michael Maura Kono. I have lived next to the superhighway for close to 10 years. It never occurred to me as the owner of this magnificent building. But after knowing how to apply the secret, now I believe I can achieve whatever I want in life. The secret is knowing to apply your ability in your normal life. All human beings are the obstacles in their life. Once you understand that, you only need to attract whatever you want into your life. Like vibration attracts the same vibration. So join me in the most magnificent network marketing company, QNet, for you to make money now, to buy any plot, to construct any building, and to live the life of yourself. Just look around. Whenever there is a building, whoever has constructed the building was born naked, just like you. How did these people understand their abilities and capabilities? And what can you do to do the same? Join me in QNet. We'll be able to share much of how to think from now forever, and you make a difference in your life. Thank you very much.